I'm gonna attempt this. So I got stuff being hacked and trying to keep me from being able to video and stuff. It's pretty bad. It's sad, really. Trying to figure out how it's happening for me instead of to me when you got weird stuff. It doesn't feel very positive, but anyway. I love you, Father. Thank you that I was able to get out today. So take care of you. That's the way I feel my Father is about me. But then cause funny things. And people sometimes think no care as long as you know I love you. Oh, when you know I do. Are you tuning in, Tokyo, with your booty and cute kitty? Are you? Sweet baby. Honey, I hope you didn't swallow my earbud because I can't. We should have been able to find it with that magnet. Because it's a magnet earbud to charge. You gotta click it in there. And it's a pretty. Anyway. And I know you smelled me on it, you goober. And you love your grandma, don't you? Yes, you do. You sweet baby. Ah! Ah! I talk sweet to you, and you resort to violence. The world. Don't be gnawing on stuff, brothers in the world. I love you. Oh, you know I do. Might not see me. Easy to get through. Eyes away. Then I'll take care of you. Darling, I'll take care of you. Right? It's getting dark, buddy. We need to get on up out of here. Oh, bloody. Oh, blada. Woo! Mucho at the level. All of y'all, whoa. Mr. Spindrive. I don't know if he's trying to scratch his watch, but he's definitely winding that ass. So I don't know if that was what the purpose and intent is behind it, but woo-hoo. He's all about some of that anyway. I hope that y'all are hanging in. The last of these weird eclipse energies. It's playing out slow. It's what I feel like the testing and the trials, the energetic weighing of the heart, like the Egypt say happens. I mean, the blood was put over the doors to protect all those within. Well, what is the blood? Jesus is the sacrificial blood, the Jesus. So if you are going and living a Christ-like life, then whatever's going on energetically, you ain't got nothing to worry about. If you're living in prayer, ooh, Lord help us, oh. If you're living in prayer and can lay your head down every night and be like, if I have to face you, Father, then I'm good. I've got this. Right me in my wrongs. And if there's something that hasn't been resolved yet for whatever reason, you give yourself grace and mercy, because for whatever reason, either that person or that situation it's not God's divine timing for that to be resolved yet, for whatever energetic shifting situations he has lined up perfectly. Father God is the most perfect mosaic artist in ever. The most creative of all artists ever. And so, anyway, much love, y'all.